Today is Monday, February 1st, 2021. Yes, it is 2021, and I'm still here in the best city on earth, New York City. It is snowing today. The snowstorm started around 10 p.m. last night, and it continues up to this moment. As you all can see, everything covered in snow. Most of the businesses are closed due both to the pandemic, governmental regulations, and of course the snowstorm. But as you can see, New York City buses are still running. You can see the bus right here. I think no one is in the bus. Street vendors are still working and serving food. People are cleaning streets. Fire department is still working, and even a fearless girl has a company today. So we see this spaceman NYC is standing next to the fearless girl, waiting to go to the moon. And we have also this very cute snowman with a dinosaur on the top.